Good morning students. Welcome back to my new video. In today's video we will discuss the question answers of poem Mr. Nobody. As you know that we have completed this poem. So today we will discuss the question answers of it. So now let's start our class. So now students, here are the difficult words with their meaning. All the difficult words you have to write in your fair literature copy with their meanings. So now see the first word, ajar. Ajar means open partially. Scatters means throw in different directions. Squeak means a short high pitched sound or cry. Prithi means please. Mislead means forgot where one put something. Blinds means a window shade that can be rolled up and down. So these are the difficult words. Write in your fair literature copy. Now here comes the question answers of this poem. A. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Question number 1. He puts the damp wood upon the fire that kettles cannot boil. So this line is taken from the poem only. So the question is saying who puts damp wood on the fire? That means किसने damp wood fire में रखा था? So the answer is Mr. Nobody. Mr. Nobody puts damp wood on the fire. Damp wood means slightly wet. जो लकड़ियाँ जो थोड़ी गीली होती हैं, so that is called damp wood. So damp wood जो गीली लकड़ी थी वो किसने फायर में रखा था? Mr. Nobody ने. Now the B question is, what is the meaning of damp wood? So the answer is damp wood means slightly wet wood. Now C question, how does damp wood prevent the kettles from boiling? That means damp wood से कैसे केटल बॉयल नहीं हुआ? बिकॉज ऑब्वियस है अगर आप गीली लकड़ियाँ यूज़ करोगे, वेट वुड यूज़ करोगे, सो ऑब्वियस है उसमें फायर नहीं लगेगा, सो आपकी जो केटल है वो बॉयल नहीं होगी. सो द आंसर इज द डैम्प वुड वॉज स्लाइटली वेट, सो इट प्रिवेंटेड द केटल फ्रॉम बॉइलिंग. नाउ question number 2, we never leaves the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. Whom does we refer to here? That means this line is also taken from the poem only. So here we refers to whom? So we refers to the members of the family. We हम refer कर रहे हैं members of family को. Now the big question, who would leave the blinds open? That means किसने जो blinds हैं उसको open रखा था. So blinds ये एक window shade होता है that can be rolled up and down. So the answer is Mr. Nobody would leave the blinds open. That means Mr. Nobody है जिसने blinds को open रखा था. That means इस पोएम में आपने देखा कि अगर कोई भी चीज़ें जो घर में प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं हो रही हैं, देन हम किसे ब्लेम करते हैं? हम मिस्टर नोबडी को ब्लेम करते हैं. बट इन एक्चुअल वो सारे ब्लेम हम लोग के हैं जो हम किसी और पे पुश कर देते हैं. ओके अगर कोई भी काम घर में नहीं हो रहा है, देन हम कहते हैं ये हमने नहीं किया, ये किसी और का काम किया हुआ है. सो वी पुश ऑल द ब्लेम टू मिस्टर नोबडी. नाउ the C question is, what happened because the blinds were left open? That means अगर blinds open था so उससे क्या हुआ? So the answer is the curtains faded because the blinds were left open. That means अगर blinds open थे so उससे जो curtains थे उनके जो कलर हैं वो fade हो गए, कलर और डल हो गए. Okay. Now the B question is, answer these questions. Question number 1, what does everyone agree upon? That means सारे मेंबर जो घर के हैं वो किस चीज़ पे एग्री करते हैं? Answer, everyone agrees upon that every plate they broke was cracked by Mr. Nobody. That means सारे मेंबर घर में ये एग्री करते हैं कि घर में अगर कोई भी प्लेट टूट रही है सो वो तोड़ता कौन है? मिस्टर नोबडी. सो मिस्टर नोबडी इज द पर्सन हु क्रैक्स ऑल द प्लेट्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, what does Mr. Nobody do to the books? That means Mr. Nobody ने बुक्स का क्या किया? So the answer is Mr. Nobody tears out the books. That means Mr. Nobody ने books के pages को tears किए. Okay. Now third question, why will the squeaking door always squeak? That means ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि जो डोर है वो हमेशा स्क्वीक कर रहा है. So the answer is the squeaking door will always squeak because nobody has done the oiling which is left to Mr. Nobody. That means जो डोर है उसमें स्क्वीक की आवाज़ इसलिए आ रही है क्योंकि किसी ने भी उसकी ऑयलिंग नहीं की है एंड वो ऑयलिंग किसे करनी थी? मिस्टर नोबडी को. Now question number 4, why does the kettle not boil? That means kettle क्यों नहीं boil हुआ? So the answer is the kettle does not boil because Mr. Nobody puts the damp wood on fire. That means kettle इसलिए boil नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि Mr. Nobody ने फायर पे डैप वुड रखा था. डैप वुड मीन्स जो गीली वुड थी, लकड़ी थी, वो रखा था. सो इसलिए जो केटल था वो बॉयल नहीं हो रहा था. So now we have completed few question answers of this poem. The rest of the questions we will cover in our next class. Your homework for today is to complete the question answers which we have discussed today in your fair literature copy, and don't forget to write your name, class with section in a comment section below the video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.